Hello friends, have a nice day to all and welcome back to my channel Lit Creation. So today I came up with another brand new tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a quilling flower. So stay tuned with this video, and if haven't you subscribed to my channel, subscribe now. If you press the bell notification button, then you can access our videos quickly. So let's go to the video. So first I make a ring coil. First I'm taking red color connected to a strip of 3 mm. Next we want a border body. We have to do is just roll the strip around the border body. Put a little glue and then just keep rolling it with the help of your fingers now. You can take it out. Then glue the end. Which we have got. I'm going to pinch it and give it a teardrop shape. Now just take a piece of red color paper and connect this teardrop shape on this. Then I'm taking red and orange color connected strips. My one strip length is 30 cm. For this we need a slotted quilling tool. Just make beads after some equal gaps. So now just add glue and connect these inside this. Cut off the extra papers using the scissors. I have created 4 more petals using a similar process. Now added glue on each petal. Then connect them. Now I'm taking one strip of orange and 2 strips of red color. Then make a tight coil and glue the end. Now connect the tight coil. So we finished our cauliflower. I hope useful my video for you. Not only that, I have so many videos on my channel. Also don't hesitate to subscribe and stay in touch with us. So until we meet in a new video, I'm gonna stop. Have a great day to all.